Good evening, junkies. Welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Wednesday, August 17th, 2011. Today we had a total of 7 executable trade signals for a max potential of 23 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed by our website at EminiJunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning at 96.75. We were in what we would call a high probability gap range, and the market made just a 1 point move or so towards that gap and half gap area before continuing its march upward. And I think it caught a lot of bears there. A little bit of went up to the previous day's high and broke through that area and kept climbing. There wasn't any real opportunity for us to get involved until about the 10 o'clock reversal time frame. We had our first signal to get short, and that one came down and hit our first target to the tick, but did not fill and ultimately ended up getting stopped out. T0 minus 14 on that first shot. Started setting up what appeared to be a head and shoulder type pattern after we made a new high here. On the long side, it came down, hit our entry to the tick, no fill before ultimately hitting its T2, so no opportunity to take advantage of that move to the upside as it put in that higher high. And then we came down and we tested this neckline, and this is what started looking like a head and shoulder pattern. We actually had a signal to get short that did produce targets 1 and targets 2 for 8 ticks, but then on the little bounce we were looking for the shoulder to get just another few ticks higher or so, up to around 1205, 1206 area. Didn't quite make it, rolled over again, and then ultimately broke through that neckline. So it wasn't a perfect pattern there, but the market started pushing down hard. Ultimately went down below, went down near the open, bounced, gave a signal long for a fake out, another full stop out for us, T0 minus 14, before ultimately pushing on down into the lunchtime dead zone. Set up a quick little trade there for 11 ticks to the downside. Went all the way to our open, ultimately filled both our half gap, our 415 gap, previous day's 4 o'clock gap, and even made it all the way down below the daily pivot. You can see we came into that 12:10 reversal time, gave us a nice little bounce, but the market wasn't done quite yet. It continued to push lower. This little reset here gave us an opportunity to get short for a real nice trade. Targets 1 and targets 2 right about 118, 119 time frame. Went down towards those Globex lows, broke those before ultimately finding a bottom right around 145. As we came back through our moving average, we got a signal to get long, produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks to the upside, and then there was a quick little reset, and then we had another extension long that ended up producing targets 1 and targets 2 for 10 ticks to the upside right before the 3 o'clock quitting time. So a very active day, a couple of rough stop outs in the morning, but ultimately ended up with 7 trades, 23 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.